But of course, this is in line with his vision to make Cebu City Singapore-like. And of course, when you make Cebu City Singapore-like, kinahanglan yung kagdako kayo nga budget. So this is one of the reasons nga no. Now, if you ask me kung sa mga major kayo nga items in the budget nga dako kayo, I would assume nga ang usa gyud ana is the construction of kanang mga medium rise buildings, because the mayor envisions to have 200 medium rise buildings for our kaning ato mga informal settlers, no? So this is one of the big items sa iyang budget, no? So nasubmit naman na sa council, so we will now refer that to the Committee on Budget and Finance for them to deliberate on the budget, no? So they can slash the budget or increase, basta di lang mo sobra sa 50 billion, and then they can realign it. And then after that, when the committee will give its recommendation, its committee report o ilang recommendation, padong na sa plenary kaming tanan. Now, after that, it will pass through a second reading, then the final reading for the approval. And dako kay possibility nga basig na nanis mga December tingali na to ma-approve, considering we will remember na i-budget hearing nga ang tanan mga department heads among tawagon to defend their budget. Ngano kini, ngano kana, ngano kini, ngano kana. So I am very hopeful like in the previous ma-approve that by the latest na yun ang December.